This is one of my favorite exhibits. This is the evolution of dinosaurs into birds. So modern birds actually come from dinosaurs. You can see this famous Archaeopteryx and other dinosaur with feather fossils have been discovered. So dinosaurs lived 230 million years ago. The theropods are a branch of dinosaur that had wishbones and three-toed feet. Then you had the Tetaneurans, three-fingered hands, modified wrists, and the first fuzzy filaments. Then you have Coleosaurus, and I'm butchering these names, Maniraptorians, true feathers, brooding on nests, and then the first birds moving to modern birds. So did dinosaurs themselves survive that mass extinction? No, but their relatives, the birds, did.